Need to fix Netflix audio out of sync on mobile, then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Netflix. Once the page loads, choose a specific profile of your Netflix. Once you have selected it, you log in into your account. Well, but firstly you have to check the Bluetooth connection. If you are connected to any of the Bluetooth, then make sure to disconnect and connect it once again. The Bluetooth device might also delay the audios. Once done, try restarting a device. Tap on hold the assistive dots and click on restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has fixed the issue. Now the next thing you want to do is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If it is stable enough, then you'll be good to go. Or else head over to App Store. In the address bar, search for Netflix. Move into this app right over here. If you could find the option of update, then simply click on update and update it. While updating the application might also help you out. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.